Students, we are going to discuss about deleted portion of science in this chapter. 10th science you need to have with you. If we talk about 10th science, let us start with the first chapter. From the first theory, from the first unit, first chapter and second chapter, nothing is removed. So the whole chapter 1 and chapter 2 you have to do, you have to learn. From metals and non-metals, that is chapter number 3, basic metallurgical process, corrosion and its prevention. I'll make you take the page number from where it is removed. Come to page number 49. From occurrence of metals, okay, that is actually metallurgy part, so that is removed. Then last, corrosion is also removed, prevention of corrosion is also removed, right? So from page number 49 to last page 54, everything is excluded. But you must read about processes like thermite reactions. Okay? That may be asked because it is also an example of displacement reaction which comes in first chapter. So you need to take care of those things. Then in chapter number 4, most of the part of chapter number 4 is removed. Like from nomenclature of carbon compounds containing functional groups, it is removed. So you need to learn from first page of chapter number 4 to only till homologous series. Then nomenclature comes, that is removed, and nomenclature of halogens, alcohols, ketones, acetone, that is removed. Difference between saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon is removed. Chemical properties of carbon compounds is removed. Ethanol, ethanoic acid, everything is removed. Soap, detergent is removed. So only first 4 pages till page number 67 will be part of your syllabus for chapter number 4. Chapter number again 5, nothing is removed. Chapter number 6, nothing is removed. In chapter number 7, tropic movement of plants, come to chapter number 7. Chapter number 7, tropic movement of plants. See, movement due to growth, it is written. You can see, come to page number 119, coordination in plants, that is removed. Then plant hormones, it is removed. Control and coordination in animals, nervous system, voluntary, involuntary, chemical coordination in animal hormones, this everything is removed. So you can say that the whole chapter 7 is removed from your syllabus. I don't think anything else will be remaining. Chapter number 7, the whole chapter 7 is removed from your syllabus. It was an easy chapter. Heredity and evolution, that is nothing to be deleted from chapter number 8. Chapter number 9 is heredity and evolution, and from heredity and evolution, basic concept of evolution, that is page number 147. Okay. That portion is removed. Nothing else is specified, so you have to learn everything. You would see there are topics like evolution and classification, evolution and by stages, human evolution, evolution should not be equated with progress. Those all topics are there, but you need to read them once, because in this it is not specified whether these topics are to be removed or not. Basic concept of evolution is removed, that we can understand. Nothing else is removed. So the illustration that I said you in page number 147, exclude that. Human eye and the colorful world. Again, a very easy chapter is removed from your syllabus. Functioning of lens in human eye, defects of eyes and their correction, application of spherical mirrors and lenses is only removed from that chapter. Rest from prism to the first 4 pages, that is human eye, power of accommodation, myopia, hypermetropia, presbyopia. Those 4 pages from chapter number 11 is deleted. Rest everything remains as it is. Effect of electric current in magnetic effect of electric current, chapter number 13. So chapter number 12 nothing is to be removed. Chapter number 13, electric generator, direct current, alternating current, frequency, AC, advantage of AC over DC, domestic electric circuit. So you need to remove from page number 236 is removed, 237, 238 is completely removed. Page natural resources, from natural resources unit, that is last three chapters of your book. Sources of energy is completely removed from your book, from your syllabus. Different forms of energy, conventional, non-conventional energy, fossil fuel, solar energy, biogas, wind, water, tidal, nuclear energy, renewable versus non-renewable sources. This all things are removed. And management of natural resources, that is chapter number 15, is to be included in internal assessment. So partly you can say that 15th chapter is also removed, not 15th but 16th chapter. 16th chapter is sustainable management of natural resources. That is also will not be a part of your board exam. It is to be included in internal assessment. Chapter 14 is completely removed. Chapter 15 remains completely. So this was about science. I hope you get this information very nicely and you find this video very informative. If you like this, please do share with your friends and like it. Tell me in comment how the video was. Take care. Best of luck.